What? Oh my god, that is refreshing. It's that time again. We're going to be going over all of my August favorites, everything that I was loving during this month. I've got fashion and beauty and just like one random lifestyle slash snack thing in here. If this is your first time popping by my channel, I do monthly favorites every single month without fail. So if you want to keep up with those and you're interested in my other content like my vlogs or my fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you can keep up with me. And don't forget to like and comment on this video. And we're just gonna like dive right in because the first favorite I want to mention is a snack favorite, and I actually want to go ahead and pop it open because it's hot right now and this is very refreshing. But I recently became obsessed with the Poppy watermelon prebiotic soda. You guys know I've been drinking Poppy for a little while now just because I don't actually drink soda, but sometimes I like something flavored and carbonated, so I feel like this is definitely a good alternative, especially if I want something a little bit more than just like your regular sparkling water. But they released this watermelon flavor this summer, and y'all, this thing literally tastes like a liquid watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's so freaking good, but it's like not too sweet. It's definitely still kind of light, but it just has that kind of like really good watermelon flavor that you expect from a watermelon Jolly Rancher. For anyone who hasn't heard of these sodas before, these only have 20 calories per can and only 5 sugars total. So it's a really good alternative to your traditional sodas that have like 42 grams of sugar or something like that and over like 100 calories per can. So if you guys have been trying to kick your soda habit, try this out, but in particular for the summertime and even through fall because it's freaking hot even in fall. Try this watermelon flavor. It is amazing. I highly recommend. You are missing out if you don't try it. And I also just discovered that these are now available in Target, so it's even easier to get them now. But I'm gonna pop it open to drink during this video because I'm burning up and I have the lights on me. You guys know the drill. But oh my god, that is refreshing. It's so good. Like I said, it's not a heavy, super sweet watermelon flavor. It's just very, very light, but it does still taste like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Popping over to fashion, just have like a couple of things here. The first are a pair of heels that I am so obsessed with. I've been wanting a pair of rainbow colored heels for a little while now, and especially with it being summer, I love color, and then also color is gonna be so big for fall. I recently got these rainbow heels from Shoe Dazzle, and these have to be my favorite shoes right now. I love them. I just think that they're so beautiful. I love the fact that it's rainbow heels, but it's like rhinestones on top, and the rhinestones actually coordinate to the colors that are actually on the heel. I also really love the flared heel as well. It makes it so much easier to wear these. One of the reasons why I don't really wear stilettos that much anymore is because I actually walk uneven and I tend to wear out one side faster than the other, so they become kind of dangerous for me to walk in. But I feel like this flared heel style is definitely a good solution for me on that because it gives me a lot more ground to work with and the shoes will last a lot longer for me. But yeah, I really love these. I've been wearing these with so many different outfits. I've styled this at least 2 ways on my Instagram. I also styled these for my latest Shoe Dazzle video, and I just am obsessed with these. This is definitely a pair that I'm going to be wearing for a very, very long time. So if you guys have been looking for some rainbow heels, these ones are the Magdalena flared heels from Shoe Dazzle. Then next for fashion is actually the jewelry that I'm wearing. On my most recent vlog, I partnered with Vitali, which is a Canadian-based jewelry company, and they specialize in genderless jewelry designs. And me mentioning them in this favorites video is not a part of the partnership. I just genuinely really, really love the pieces that I got, but I wanted to mention 2 in particular. The first one is this gummy bear necklace that I'm wearing. I'll get a little closer so you guys can see because it's just like this tiny, dainty little piece, but I love it. I really, really like gummy bears, so I was obsessed with this piece when I got it. I made sure that it was one of the ones that I requested that they send me. I really love it in the gold, but also just come in the silver as well. But I think that this one would be so cute for layering in a little necklace stack, or obviously you could wear it by itself like this. And then the other favorite from them that I love is their Path earring. I had been looking for a pair of chain link earrings for a while now, and when I saw these, I fell in love. I like the fact that they're a little bit different than your traditional chain link earrings that almost reminds me of DNA with a little line going through each loop. But I thought that these were really cool. What I really love about these two is that despite them looking chunky, they're actually fairly lightweight, which is super surprising considering that all of their jewelry is actually made from stainless steel. I would expect it to feel a lot heavier, but I wore these for a good amount of hours the other day and my earlobes didn't feel sore or tired or anything like that. And one of the great things about it being stainless steel is that none of these are going to tarnish. All of their jewelry is going to last for forever. So if you've been looking to invest in better quality jewelry, I would definitely check them out. And I do have a discount code for you guys, which I will have down below in the description. If you just click that, it'll automatically give you 20% off to anything you purchase site-wide. Then lastly for fashion is a very new bag, but I was so obsessed with it that I had to mention it. I know I'm gonna love it and I'm gonna be using it constantly, and it is my new Coach waist bag. This one is actually from the Coach outlet, so if you're searching for it, you have to go to the Coach outlet because this isn't on the regular Coach site. But I have been looking for a new waist bag ever since we got back from Hawaii. I really loved the Zara one that I was using, but I wanted something that was a little bit nicer. Also too, that Zara one was white, so it was just gonna be kind of hard to maintain how clean it could look. So I tried ordering one from Fashion File. It ended up not working out, so I decided to try Coach instead, and I saw this one, and this is exactly what I was looking for. This one is so deep and it has so much room in it. I can actually fit this camera that I'm shooting on in here comfortably, and I can also fit the lens as well. The lens on this camera probably about this big, maybe even bigger, and then the camera itself is a pretty good size. I film on the Sony a6400, so it is not a small camera, and both can easily fit in here along with like a wallet and some hand sanitizer. And then it also has this front pocket, which is actually super roomy as well. It fits a cell phone in here perfectly, and then you could also throw in like your chapstick and stuff or whatever else you need to. So this is just like the perfect waist bag. I'm obsessed with it. I also really love the brown Coach monogram design that it has going on the back, and then right here through the front and the top, and then it also has the black accents, and then the strap on this is black. And just to give you guys an idea of how it fits, here is what it looks like on. It is adjustable, but it has a lot of length on it, so you can kind of adjust it to the perfect size for your liking. I personally like to wear mine crossbody, so this is where I like to have mine sit, but you could obviously do it around your waist as well. Alright, then ending with beauty, which is where I have the bulk of my favorites this month. The first thing that I'm going to start with is my eyebrows. As you guys can see, they are pretty freshly laminated, and I actually did them at home using this kit that I got off of Amazon. I think I first heard of this kit from Jessica Stockstill, and this one is actually designed to laminate both eyebrows and your lashes, but I only used it for eyebrows. Lashes just scares me a little bit, but it is this eyebrow and lash lamination kit from Elevate the Beauty. This kit was about like $42 or so on Amazon, and to get your brows laminated in a salon is anywhere between like $80 to $100, so this definitely saves you a ton of money, because I think that there's definitely enough in here to be able to laminate your brows like at least 7 or 8 times if you're only using this for brows. If you are also laminating your lashes, it might be a little bit less, but still there's more than enough supplies in this kit to be able to laminate your eyebrows multiple times. So the kit itself comes with a few applicators and spoolies, and then it comes with a lash applicator, which I don't use because, like I said, I'm too scared to laminate my lashes. Silicone pads, again, for laminating your lashes, and that also comes with glue for that purpose. But then for both eyebrows and lashes, it also comes with a lift solution, a fixation solution, a nourishing solution, and a cleanser. And actually laminating your brows is pretty fast with this. I would say it took me less than half an hour, probably closer to 20 minutes total. And the only thing that you need besides this kit is just some plastic wrap, which I'm sure most of us already have in our house anyways. And it was really easy to use. I love the way that my eyebrows came out. Honestly, I'm definitely just gonna keep laminating my eyebrows at home because it's such a time and money saver, and this kit made it so freaking easy. Staying on the topic of brows, even though my eyebrows are laminated, whenever I do makeup, I like to deepen them a little bit more, because once I have makeup on my face, even with my brows nice and fluffy, I still feel like they can get lost because truthfully my eyebrow hairs are a little bit thin. So I was in search for an eyebrow pen that would give me very hair-like strokes, and I found this one from NYX. This is their brow tint pen, and I got the color Ash Brown. So that's actually what I use to fill in a few sparse areas on my eyebrows, and honestly you can't even tell that I filled in my eyebrows. It looks so natural. It has this very thin felt tip, which makes it so easy to create hair-like strokes. Like, just with a light hand you can create these fine lines that just blend right into your brow hairs. And I prefer this over filling them in with powder because it looks so natural, and it's actually pretty quick to do. I only need to fill in a few strokes here and there, especially to like round out the shape on my brows and stuff, and I can do that in like 10 seconds with this pen. Next up in my beauty favorites is a body wash, and I am so so in love with this scent. I'm really upset with raw sugar because they only make this scent in a body wash. They don't make it in a lotion, and I want them to because I want to layer this scent so that I can smell like it all freaking day long. But it is the Moisture Loving Body Wash in the scent Avocado and Cactus Pear. It just smells so clean but has like the slightest hint of sweetness from the cactus pear. It's honestly just like the perfect scent. The first time that I used it, I made sure to finish off my shower with unscented lotion so that I didn't cover up the scent. And I went downstairs and Trevor was like, oh my god, you smell incredible. And I'm like, that's from this body wash. Again, they need to make this also in some kind of lotion or some body spray because the scent is just heavenly. It's so freaking good. But besides the scent, I also like this because it's made with plant-derived ingredients, so like nothing crazy that's gonna irritate the skin, and it's also super hydrating. So if you've been looking for a new body wash, go to Target and smell this one, and I promise you, you're gonna leave with it. Then lastly in favorites are a couple of hair products. The brand Fanola recently reached out to me and asked me if they could send me a few products, which I was really excited about. I actually messaged my hairdresser as soon as it happened because she's a huge fan of the brand. She uses their stuff on my hair all the time. So both she and I were really excited that I was getting to try out more products from them. I really love their No Yellow line. I use that for my blonde hair to keep it brass free and stuff and keep it nice and bright. And they have honestly probably one of the most powerful purple shampoos and conditioners on the market. Like if you need to tone your hair, that is definitely what you should use at home. But the two products I actually wanted to mention aren't from the No Yellow line. These are extras that they sent to me, and I'm so glad that they did because these are absolute go-tos for me. The first one is their Nutra One Actions Restructuring Leave-In Spray Mask. I've been using this as my leave-in conditioner, and it's just so good. My hair feels so healthy and strong whenever I use this, and it also feels really silky and smooth. This mask has argan, linen, and milk proteins, and it's ideal for dry and frizzy hair. The way that I like to use this is after I've towel dried my hair and it's nice and damp, I will spray this in and then I'll blow dry my hair as usual. But you can apparently also use this on dry hair. It says here to use over dry hair, spray over damp hands, and then just run it through your hair. I haven't used it for that yet. I will report back to you guys on that, but for using it like a regular leave-in conditioner on damp hair, this stuff is really good. Honestly, I don't see how I could go back to my old one because I am totally sold on this. But after I'm done using this and rough blow dry my hair, I usually go in with an oil, and I decided to give theirs a try, and I don't want to say that this has replaced the Jasoo for me because like I feel like the Jasoo oil is better on my dry hair or like 3-day-old hair to just kind of soften it and give it back some shine. But I've totally switched to using this one from Fanola when I'm actually styling my hair. This one is their Restructuring Fluid Crystals, and this one has aloe vera and linseed oil that leaves hair shiny and helps to repair split ends. So I noticed a huge difference when I used this one. I was totally blown away. Even from the second that I applied it to my hair, it legitimately changed the structure of my hair instantly. My hair was so smooth and so silky, and I hadn't even finished drying and styling my hair, so I was totally blown away. I love this stuff. I, again, just like the leave-in mask, I don't think I can go back to what I was using before because this was so good. Especially if your hair is dry and bleached like mine is, this will completely make a difference. Alright you guys, well that is going to be it for my August favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also leave me a comment. Let me know what you were loving in August, and I love you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon again in my next one. Bye.